tayo? Apat? Apat pa yung ikot natin.
Pang unang recycle pa lang, no?
Next game pala dyan is winner 3 versus winner 4. Upas by Serrano. Nice pass sa ilalim. Block! Block! Triple the end. 3 points. 3 points by Tuto. 2 points by number 20. Rush. Rebound by Serrano. Serrano. 2 points by Serrano. 2 points by Dolo. Good game, good game. Dolo, layup, good. 2 points. Delivery. 2 points, 3 points by Turini. 2 points by number 20.
Magkapitan naman sinasabi mo.
2 points by Dolo. This is 2 points by number 20. Hindi pwede yung loser 1 minute. 2 points. Long 3 points by 2 points. Run. 2 points by Run. Ano sila? Yung tumagla kanina, 2 points by
Yan.
2 points, 15 seconds remaining.
Nakashoot sila, kuya.
3 points by 2 points by Mateo. 2 points is good by Mateo. 3 points by Pontia. Uy. 5 to shoot. Steal by Pontia. Kasama sa madali. 2 points. 2 points.
Kuya, ba't ganun?
2 points. 2 points. Steal. 5 to shoot. 2 points. Pass to number 16. Number 16, 2 points. Martin Black by Black Shirt. Number 16 is Julia. Then number 16. 2 points by White Shirt. 2 points. Nice pass. 2 points by Black Shirt. 2 points by Andre. 8 seconds. Easy 2 points by Mateo. 15 to shoot. 2 points. Kapag na sila. Easy 2 points by Dula. Ikaw muna.
Ano, palag-gano'n yung dyan. Shoot. Shoot. Gigas na lang ako.
240. Sukle. Nice pass.
Kala ko pag Wednesday kung ilang
2 points.
Sabi pala. Wala, ano nga.
Tuto. 2 points by Tuto. 16 to shoot. 3-2. 2 pointers. Good. Good.
May next game pa dyan.
2 points by San Pedro.
Ay, ganun.
2 points by Dylan. 3 points, ano? Extra time. 30 minutes. 2 points. We are ready. Tuto. 24 seconds remaining.
Kasama na rin yung gaming.
Not counted, not counted. 2 points by Kuya Robby. 2 points by Urban.
Oo, kuya. Pwede ba? Kaya ba 30? Kaso di...
Long three, back. 3 points. Let it change then. Loser 4 versus loser 5. 2 points, back na sila. 3 points, Pahintado. 18, 3 points. No good, rebound by San Pedro. 2 points.
Hindi naman.
3 points by Tuto. No good.
Ako rin nagbayad. Si Alan.
Lagyan na ng page ni Jeff.
Bakit? Dalawa kayo? Magkano sa kumuro?
4 minutes remaining. 3 points and back. 3 points.
Ay, siyaso na ba to?
2 points.
Kailan ulit yan, bukas? Yan ang bukas.
Friday.
Friday.
2 points, Alba.
Ngayon lang kami nakakabawi. Na huwag mo na discount. Ano number mo?
Step back, 3 points. Back, 3 points by Jason. Ian Rao, step down. 2 points by Ian Rao. 2 points. Yeah, 3 point attack is good. Ian Rao, 2 points by Ian Rao. 20 seconds. 2 points by San Pedro. 15 to shoot. Grovio, 2 points. 10 seconds remaining. Long three, bang. 5 seconds remaining. Bang. 3 points by Kiamba. 2 points. 15 to shoot. No good, rebound. 2 points, 5. 2 pointer is good para kay... Yun lang. 2 pointer is good para kay Tuto. 2 minutes remaining. 2 points. Cruz, 2 points by Bill. Good. Easy 2 points. 1 minute. 2 points by Yellow. Naman. Nice game.